Welcome to the Aportfolio Advanced Design tutorial. This video will cover everything you need to know to create an engaging, well-designed Aportfolio. First, let's do a quick review of the basic functionality of working with images. To add an image to a page in your Aportfolio, click on the Add Content button in the bottom right corner. Click Upload File, and then select the image. Notice the Edit button on the very right of the image. To view the Edit option, click the Edit button. Now on the far left side of the page, you will see the options to crop your image, make your image into a circle, or rotate your image's orientation. To crop your image, click Crop. This will allow you to drag the corners of the image inward to crop the image to a more specific viewpoint. To make your image into a circle, click Circle on the left side of the page. You will then see this gives you the option to crop your image into a circle. You can drag the corners of the circle inward to crop the image more precisely. Circles are a very desirable option for some images like profile photos or buttons. When uploading images taken on your phone, sometimes the orientation may appear sideways or even upside down depending on how you were holding the phone when the photo was taken. If this happens, click the Rotate button on the left side of the page. This will bring two circular rotate buttons up on the left and right side of your image. Click through these until your image is in your preferred orientation. If you would like to be able to display multiple photos in one area, you can create a gallery module. To do so, click the Add Content button in the bottom right corner of the page. Then click Upload File, and you can select the photos that you would like to include in your gallery. Once you have them all selected, click Open and upload all of your photos. Once they have all uploaded, they will appear in a gallery format, which allows viewers to click the arrows next to your photos and view them one by one. To add more photos to your gallery once it has been created, you must click the Edit button and then click Add More Items. You can also replace specific images with the same process. If you click on the Settings button next to your gallery, you will see that you can also make your images downloadable, make them clickable with an outside link, and you can change the layout of your gallery to have a different appearance on your page. We would like to introduce you to several free online design tools that can enhance the look and feel of your Aportfolio. Adobe's Interactive Color Wheel and Unsplash for royalty-free, high-resolution photos. When designing your Aportfolio, you may notice that there is a limited array of colors in the standard color panel. A good design, featuring a cohesive color scheme, can keep your audience more engaged in your Aportfolio. This is where Adobe Color comes in handy. In a new tab, open color.adobe.com. You can select a color by dragging any handle within the color wheel. Adobe Color then provides you with the hex codes for that color, as well as other colors that go together based on the color harmony rule selected. The two color harmony rules we recommend using are analogous and monochromatic. After you have selected a color, copy the hex code without the hashtag and go back to your Aportfolio's color setting area. Paste the hex code into the space beside the hashtag at the bottom of the color cube. In this example, we are changing the top layer of the background to the chosen color. Now that we have learned how to change our top layer to a color, let's make our bottom layer a background image. This also establishes a theme for your site. If you are in need of high-quality images, open up a new tab and type unsplash.com. Unsplash is a website where photographers upload images that users can then use freely without citation. Note that some professors ask that you cite all work, so check with them when using free images. To search for an image, type in the search bar what you are looking for. Keep in mind, a background contributes significantly to the overall look and feel of your Aportfolio. When trying to pick a good image, stay away from those that may distract from your content. Instead, look for those that complement. Textures are also a popular way to provide a subtle but effective aesthetic. When you find a good photo, click on it, then click Download Free. After the file downloads, upload it by clicking the Select Image area under the background layer. Seamless backgrounds is another technique that can take your Aportfolio design to the next level. A seamless background spans across your whole Aportfolio image, including your header. Here is how it's done in a few simple steps. Open your Aportfolio and click on the Settings button on the far right of the page. Ensure that you do not have any top layer background colors or images. You should see an X next to the color cue boxes, and if not, clear them like this. Then scroll down in your Settings menu until you see Bottom Layer Background, and make sure that the bottom layer background image opacity is at 100%. Click on Select Image to upload your background image, and upload the image that you would like to use as your background. Once your image has uploaded, click the Settings button again and scroll down until you see Bottom Layer Background. To make your background appear seamless, make sure that the Fixed toggle switch is selected and the Repeat toggle is deselected. Next, hover your mouse over the menu/navigation area until the lock appears. Click the lock to unlock the menu. Then click the Settings button that appears next to your menus. Click on Select Image to upload your background image. Upload the image that you would like to use as your background. Click Upload. Make sure that you also have the Fixed option turned on and the Repeat option turned off in your menu settings panel. This will connect your background image from the top down to the bottom of your Aportfolio section. When creating your well-designed Aportfolio, you may be wondering how to incorporate parallax scrolling into your design. Parallax scrolling is an effect where background images appear to move slower than foreground images and can create a 3D effect on your page. To achieve this, follow the following instructions. First, ensure that you have 3 sections on your Aportfolio page. These separate sections will aid in creating the parallax effect once you have content on the page. For the first and third sections, add your title content or any other content that you may want on your Aportfolio page. In your second section, click on the Settings button on the far right of the page and scroll down until you see Bottom Layer Background. Click Select Image, Upload File, and select the image that you wish to have the parallax effect applied to. Click Upload. Once the image uploads, open the Settings panel again and make sure that the Fixed option is turned on under Bottom Layer Background. When you scroll, you should be able to see your background image going under the 2 sections that you set at the top and bottom of your page. If you would like to copy content from an existing Aportfolio or content between menu pages on the same Aportfolio, the Organize tool will be of use to you. It is also useful if you have more than one section on a page and wish to move content up or down to another section. Open the Aportfolio that you would like to content to or from. Click the hamburger icon in the top right of the page and click Organize under Settings. Choose if you would like to open another existing Aportfolio or if you would like to open the same Aportfolio that is already open. Once you have both slides in the order that you want them, you can copy images or text to and from each Aportfolio by dragging them across the screen to the other Aportfolio. Please note that it does not remove content from the other Aportfolio, but rather it makes a copy. If you wish to change one of the Aportfolios that you already have open, you can click the arrows next to the name of the Aportfolio at the top of the page. This will bring up the option to change to another existing Aportfolio that you have created. Once you are done organizing, click the X at the top right of the screen, but don't forget to publish the changed pages. The Aportfolio design team is available to show you these processes or provide you with input and feedback on developing a highly engaging Aportfolio. For more information or an appointment, contact us at aportfolio@appstate.edu.